Welcome to this product unboxing. Today we are introducing the SEW Original BEB 10nm motor brake, a high-quality braking component specifically designed for industrial automation applications. This brake features a compact structural design, making it easy to install and highly adaptable. It provides safe, smooth, and highly reliable braking performance for various types of motors, ensuring precise and stable equipment operation and accurate stopping. It can be confidently used and adapted in automated production lines and industrial equipment. As you can see, the product's original packaging is very sturdy. Inside the box, multiple layers of foam provide comprehensive protection, effectively guarding against collisions and compression during long-distance international shipping. This prevents product damage at the source and ensures that every product you receive is in perfect condition. Upon opening the package, the exquisite craftsmanship of the product itself is immediately apparent. With genuine original factory quality assurance, it delivers stable braking torque and boasts a longer service life, making it a highly cost-effective and reliable choice for the braking components of industrial equipment. Choosing genuine SEW original products means choosing stable performance, reliable safety, and peace of mind throughout the entire usage process. That concludes this product unboxing. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.